of reference, not a place of residence. So, with this thought, I am Priyanshi Patel in front of you in this morning assembly. Every day may not be good, but there is good something in every day. To make your day better, be ready for school prayer.
Take me in your hands and lead me always. You are my shepherd, O Lord. Take me in your hands and lead me always. You are my shepherd, O Lord. My life have I surrendered in your hands. This life is yours, O Lord. My life have I surrendered in your hands. This life is yours, O Lord. Take me in your hands and lead me always. You are my shepherd, O Lord. I walk through dangers every day. You are my protector always. I walk through dangers every day. You are my protector always. Mistake keeps happening through me. Lord, forgive and clean me. Mistake keeps happening through me. Lord, forgive and clean me. May I graze on your face and walk, having been like you and stand. Take me in your hands and let me always. You are my shepherd, O Lord. Take me in your soul, hold me tight, Lord. A storm is raging outside, my trust is in you. Take me in your soul, hold me tight, Lord. A storm is raging outside, my trust is in you. Take me in your hands and lead me always. You are my shepherd, O Lord. Take me in your hands and lead me always. You are my shepherd, O Lord. You are my shepherd, O Lord. You are my shepherd, O Lord.
There is much more to be being a patriot and a citizen than reciting the pledge or raising a flag. By this thought, be ready for pledge.
Be ready for pledge. India is my country. All Indians are my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of its rich and varied heritage. I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect to my parents, teachers, and all elders, and treat everyone with courtesy. To my country and my people, I pledge my devotion. In their well-being and prosperity alone lies my happiness. Jai Hind.
anything, make it happen. By this quote, this is Ayush Patel from class 7th F with some sport news. Fantasy sport in India gaining fast popularity on the back of IPL. Indian women boxers in quarantine at SIS hostel in Delhi as Europe trip get delayed. Australian Open chief wants quarantine rules relaxed for the players. Dhoni became first to play 200 IPL matches. Deepika bags silver in archery World Cup final. Thank you. Have a nice day.
Good morning to all of you. Here I am Srishti from class 8D from Krishnan House presenting international news. New Zealand to introduce compulsory COVID testing for maritime. Australia brush fire inquiry warns to compounding sectors. No locally transmitted COVID case in Taiwan in 200 days. USA disease expert Anthony Fauci says may know about COVID vaccine in 3 months. COVID reinfection confirmed in US man second but was more sad. Thank you and have a nice day.
A generation which ignores history has no past and no future. By this thought, be ready for history of the day. All of you, this is Priyanshi Patel from class 7th E presenting today's history of the day on the behalf of Christian House. In 1804, Napoleon is crowned Emperor of France. In 1942, first nuclear chain reaction was demonstrated in USA. In 1982, doctor performed the first implant of a permanent artificial heart in USA. In 1981, American singer Britney Spears was born. Thank you and have a great day.
Radiant, radiant, our lovely radiant, how comely, how bright, our lovely radiant, 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 our lovely radiant, how comely, how bright, our lovely radiant, reigns along and minds beyond, our soul radiant, school of thoughts, tomorrow's thought, blooming flowers radiant, dreams along and minds beyond, our soul radiant, school of thoughts, tomorrow thoughts, blooming flowers radiant, 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 our lovely radiant, how comely, how bright, our lovely radiant. Seeking and reaching the goal at birth, enlightening in the land, near and far, to the country and people we are sergeant. Love all is grace, divine harmony, our salient. Seeking and reaching the goal at birth, enlightening in the land, near and far, to the country and people we are sergeant. Love all is grace, divine harmony, our salient. Radiant, radiant, our lovely radiant, how comely, how bright, our lovely radiant. Lives are made and dreams come true. The sun radiates beneath the sky, where thinking soars high and heart valiant. The glory does play round free, all brilliant. The lives are made and dreams come true. The sun radiates beneath the sky, where thinking soars high and heart valiant. The glory does play round free, all brilliant. Radiant, radiant, our lovely radiant, how comely, how bright, our lovely radiant. Radiant, radiant, our lovely radiant, how comely, how bright, our lovely radiant. Radiant, radiant, our lovely radiant, 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 our lovely radiant.